Imagine a programming language that is simple, like the Python programming language, but powerful like the C programming language or the C++ programming language. Imagine a language that enables you to write front-end web applications and at the same time enables you to develop low-level programs like operating system kernels. Now stop imagining because there is already such a programming language out there. Welcome to Pi-Fi Code, where you can learn and master computers and computer programming. Today, let us introduce ourselves to the NIM programming language. Created around 2008, the NIM programming language has steadily been growing into a mature programming language and had released version 2 last year. The programming language takes inspiration from languages like Ada, Modula, Python, C++, and Rust, and it aims to be one language to do everything. It features a white space significant syntax, a rich standard library, a package manager, a workspace manager, a deterministic memory management system, inline assembly, and a powerful macro system. Future versions of NIM aims at an incremental compiler and a lower-level intermediate language representation, which will take the language to greater heights or depths. NIM currently compiles to an intermediate representation in the C programming language and relies on a C language compiler to produce binaries. This enables NIM binaries to be very portable. NIM is used in companies and organizations like Status, Reddit, Exorcism, CX Planner, and then some. There are also very cool and exciting projects being written in NIM. You can visit the awesome NIM GitHub repository to find some cool projects written in NIM. NIM is maintained by a small group of enthusiastic developers and is used joyfully by its community of users who are quite friendly and helpful to people new to the programming language. Log into its forum or join the Discord community to learn more about the language. NIM focuses on elegance, expressiveness, and efficiency, and really tries to be that language that can be good for everything. In upcoming videos, let us go through each feature and constructs of the NIM programming language, and through them learn how to master computers and computer programming.